Hello, welcome. We're going to do a demonstration of a very simple prototype of a retrieval augmented generation app, or a RAG app. This uses vector embeddings and retrieves according to a semantic search, and then summarizes an answer using a language model, an AI large language model. So right now, we've called up a collection from the Texas Tech Texas Tech Vietnam Center Oral History Collection. This is a collection of about 50,000 pages of transcripts of oral history interviews. We put in a query to ask about racial conflict in the ranks and how soldiers dealt with it. And we quickly received, in this case, 4, and that's all we asked for. I'm limiting that, 4 documents that have some relationship to that query. And now those are the documents up on screen, those 4 documents. And now we're going to ask that same question. And now a smallish but a large language model is going to summarize an answer to this question: how did soldiers deal with racial conflict in the ranks? And it's going to answer in reference to these 4 pages of oral history transcripts. So now we're waiting on it. It's kind of a heavy compute kind of a thing, but this is just running on a laptop. So if we're running on a more powerful computer, we'll get a little bit faster answer. There's a lot of optimizations that we have planned for this, but this is just a demonstration of a basic RAG pipeline. Okay, so now it returned an answer. It's a little bit ugly, but what it's showing is some quotes from 3 of the named documents, and it summarizes an answer that soldiers dealt with racial conflicts by focusing on unit cohesion during operations, disregarding personal differences when outdoors for the mission, and that they experience more racial conflict kind of in the rear rather than at the front because of that. Because of the circumstances, being at the front fighting. So that's the idea. And so we're going to look up, here's one of the documents. We've returned the text, and we can see something about what's in the text. And now what we did is we said we'd like to see the original source. So this is actually the original source from, oops, I made a mistake there, from the Texas Tech Vietnam Center website. So we have to scroll down to the right page. But this was been retrieved, again, from 50,000 pages, about 700 different interviews, 50,000 pages. So it was a very quick survey of this material in the manner that a research assistant might do. But we did this within a few minutes, just offline on a laptop. We only went online now for the sake of bringing up this PDF. But the actual operation of the search and retrieval and the answer functioned entirely offline on an Apple laptop computer. So that's the end. Thank you for watching.